Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to cancel subscription in ExpressVPN. Open your ExpressVPN app. Tap here to connect your VPN. Once connected, tap on Options. Go to Account. Tap on Manage Subscriptions. As we can see here under the Manage Subscription, we can update plan and cancel subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription. Tap on your reason here why you are canceling the subscription. And tap on Continue. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!